Hi, this is Bonnie, and I wanted to share with you 3 brand new paper pads from Fairy Hugs. And I'm just going to basically go through each page so you can see what it is you will be getting. And this one is called Petal Shimmer, and there are 24 double-sided sheets, 24 designs. So there's 2 of each, and it's 216 GSM, and this paper was designed by Fairy Hugs designer Shwu-Miin Tang, and her name is right there on there too, just so you can see that. So this is the cover, and then these are the sheets that you will be getting in this one, and you'll be getting, like I said, 2 of each, and then there's it's double-sided, so again you'll be getting 2 of every one that I'm showing you. And I just thought it's really nice to be able to see what paper you're getting in a paper pad. And it's kind of hard to see that otherwise. They're really beautiful. And I tore them out of the pad so I'd be able to turn these over easy for you to see. They actually come attached as a pad. You can just imagine all the things that you can make with these beautiful papers. Put them side by side. Just super gorgeous. And the paper is a really nice quality, and it has a little bit, tiny bit of a sheen, but not that much. As you can see, it's a good stock, a good weight. It will also be great for die cutting if you do any die cutting. So that's all that you will be getting, and you'll get twice the amount that I just showed you in one pad. And then the next one we have is called Thunderglow, and this one's going to give you some bright, bold colors. And again, it's same concept. There's 24 double-sided sheets, and so we're going to go ahead and look at those. Like I said, they're quite bold, so and pretty. You have quite a variety with these papers. Some beautiful alcohol ink style. This one is a little bit different than that one. It might look the same colors, but they're a little bit different. That's one of my favorites. I like this one too. And I like this one. It reminds me of orchids. And then there's one that's got more of a bokeh, I don't know how you say it, B-O-K-E-H, with a little bit of faint bubbles in it. And again, like I said, you get 2 of each of all of these. And then the last one. This one works really good with the new release, the dragon, in a cup. All right, and so there's one last one. Both of these will be available in the Create and Craft television show. However, this last one will not be on the show, but it's available in retail stores and Fairy Hugs. So again, this one's called Bumble Twinkle, and again, the 24 different designs, 2 of each. So this one has more of a I want to say canvas look. It's got a texture to it. I think you can see the texture in it. There's no texture to it. It's just got the look of texture. And this one has, could be a moon or a sun, depending on what you want to do, because each one of these papers you can ink on, you can stamp on, and you can color with a colored pencil, because I've done all of that. So this gives you the, they have some moons and suns in this particular paper pad. There we go. And this one's got a little bit different texture than the canvas look. And then we've just got your basic looking like it's inked. And we have just a plain background. Kind of no moon or anything, just you can put your own moon in this one. Same with this, you could put your own moon. Lots of places to stamp. And this one has a canvas, again, look to it as well. It's faint at the top, so just like how you would see a sky if you wanted in the mountains down below. I think I did both sides. Yes, I did. Okay, and then this one could have, this could be a river kind of like going through it, or it could just be whatever color, because it's your fantasy or fairy type look. And then this one just has a beautiful pastel background. Again, this one's got the canvas look to it. This one has a different texture. It's not canvas. This one is more of a canvas look. And mountains. And a little bit more bright. And then we've got some subtle papers that have the canvas look to them, but they're very nice and really pretty. They have a little bit of color to them. And then this one has a little bit more of a grungy color to it. And then we have like a texture of sky, or could be ocean or whatever. And then this one again is just some colors. And again, it's got the canvas look. This one just has a texture and some really pretty colors in it. And again, another one that's a little bit different than the one I just showed you. And this one's got more of the blues and the purples, and then this one's got more of the ocean colors and green to it, aqua. And then we've just got a pretty purpley pink. And then we've got another one that has some colors on it, textures. And then I think I already showed you this one, to be honest with you. Nope, that's a different one. This one's actually completely different than the other one I just showed you. Yep. So you have 3 different looking ones. And that one's really, really pretty when it's done up too. And you can see that it's got the canvas look to it. There's only one in here that I'm missing because I actually used it twice and I didn't realize I did before. So let me see if I can show you down here at the bottom. You also get these two. And they back each other up. So they're really pretty as well. So that's what we have. That's what you're going to be seeing coming up on April 26th. It will be in the store. And it'll be on Create and Craft. And it'll also be in Julia Watt's craft store in the UK. So just want to say thank you so much for stopping by, and I will have links below so you can see where all this product is available. And you will be seeing the DT using all this paper as well. Thanks so much for stopping by.